Hi everyone, today I am back with my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. If you like my video, then press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and for more videos press the bell icon button. Today I am going to show SUMIF function in Excel. I'll be showing in this video the definition of SUMIF function, when is it used, formula of SUMIF function, and how to calculate the sum of SUMIF function. So let's start with it. Sum will provide the total of all the numbers, the sum of all the numbers which has been provided. SUMIF will provide the total only for which the given condition is true. It will provide only the total for which the condition is true. SUMIF formula. SUMIF is like, first we'll take the range from where we'll consider the values, condition and sum range. Sum range is optional. Range is the first range and sum range is the second range. Now range. Range is where values are to be considered. From where we'll consider the values. Condition is whatever either given in question or whatever you want to find out, like that will be the condition. That has been the after range, condition and sum range. Sum range is optional. If the sum range is second range, that is second range is optional. If it is not given, then the values you will get is from range, that is first one. First range are added where the given condition is true. This will find with the help of example. We'll calculate few questions and you'll understand. Now the question is where we have taken the grades, basic, HRA, PF, net. Grade, basic, HRA, PF and net. First question is to take the total of net, comma, where basic is about 3500. The formula will be over here first the total, so we'll use the sum formula. Where basic is about 3500, the condition is there, so we'll use the SUMIF formula. So now the total of net is this. So this will be our sum range and basic should be 3500. So this will be our first range. Condition would always be on the first range. So now we'll apply the formula for SUMIF is equal to SUMIF bracket. First is the range. We need to, condition has been given in the first range where basic is 3500. So your range will be basic, that is from C to C3 to C6, comma. Now your criteria, the condition always come under double inverted commas, that is above 3500, that is greater than 3500, inverted comma close. Over here the sum range is given. We need to have the total of net. So we'll take the second range, that is F3 to F6, bracket closed, enter. So if you want to find the answer is correct or not, then 3500 will take more than 3500, that is this C4 and C5, but we need to have the total of net. So this both total is 9630. So this is SUMIF formula. In this way it works out. Now we'll go with second one. To take total of basic, where basic is about 3500, the formula will be over here. The condition is also in the basic and your total should be also from the basic. So there is no sum range provided in the question, and as I said it is optional, So now the value will be coming from only range. First one, we'll use the SUMIF formula, bracket. Firstly, the range. Range is basic, comma. Your criteria again is greater than 3500. So we'll open the inverted commas. Greater than 3500, inverted comma close. There is no sum range provided in question, so bracket close and enter. If you want to check your answer is correct, greater than 3500, that is this 4000 and 5000, and their total is 9000. So we get 9000. Now next, to take total of HRA where grade is A, the formula will be to take the total of HRA. HRA total we need to take, that is sum range where grade is A, condition where grade is A. So first SUMIF formula, because where the condition is come, our ranges we need to have the condition is in the range, like first range there only the condition has to be applied. So we'll take from grade, the range will be from grade, that is B3 to B6. Our criteria is grade should be A. So we'll open inverted comma, close inverted comma, comma. We need to have the net total of HRA. So our sum range would be HRA total, that is from D3 to D6. Enter. Now again, if you now we got the total as 600. If you want to check where the grade, the condition is A grade, so we'll check it out, and we need to have the total of HRA. So A grade, our HRA is having a 150 and 450. The total, the sum is 600. Now next one, to take total of PF where PF is 320 or less, the formula will be, firstly to take the total. Total is again sum, and where is there then if. So we'll use the SUMIF formula. Let's apply the formula SUMIF, bracket open, PF. Here there is no sum range given because the condition is also in PF and the total also you need to find this PF. So range will consider from PF, that is E3 to E6, bracket open. You need to either have 320 or less. So less than equal to 320, bracket close, inverted comma close, bracket close, that is 640. Now again we'll see 320 or less, and that's PF. So 80, 320 and 240, that is equals to 640. So in this way you can check the answer is 640 and you got the SUMIF answer also 640. Next one, to take total of net where PF is 320 or less, the formula will be again total. So we'll take the total of net, that is the sum of net. We'll use the sum formula. Where is given, so we'll use the SUMIF formula. Is equal to SUMIF, bracket open. Now the range is where the condition has been provided, it is provided in PF. So your range will be from PF, that is E3 to E6. Your criteria is again the same, less than or equal to, firstly inverted comma open, less than or equal to 320, inverted comma close, comma. Now you need to have the sum range. Sum range should be from the net. So it should be from F3 to F6, bracket closed. Again enter. So now we are going to get the total from the net, and it is less than or equal to 320. So that is 80, 320 and 240, but the total should be of 1070, 4280 and 3210, that is 8560. So in this way the SUMIF formula or SUMIF functions are to be used. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, press the like button. If you have any queries, then comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and for more videos press the bell icon button. Thank you.